Come to the Philippines, it's worth it. It's worth the travel. It's worth the money. Money goes a long way once you're here. So we've just been kitting ourselves out again. 200 pesos. 100 pesos. 300 pesos. Not bad. We have these ones with the Adidas. My new shirt for tonight, fitted. 300 pesos. Which is about £4. Handmade. Well, so far breakfast always consists of hot dogs and rice, which is fine, you know, but I get a bit bored of fucking hot dogs, rice and eggs for breakfast. This place, no, bacon all day. Closed. I'll be well happy with a bacon sarnie for breakfast. So we've been out and about, bought a few souvenirs. It's hot today. I'm not sure what the temperature is. Do you know what the temperature is today? Back to the beach. Look at this place. I love this place. Look at this, eh? Come on. You don't get sun like that in Skegness or Blackpool, do you? Like powder, look. This is a different world, mate. Different world. For this paradise where I am, it cost 800, and that included flights for 4 people and a baby, and a hotel for 7 nights, so it means I get 8 days here. Come to the Philippines, it's worth it. It's worth the travel. It's worth the money. Money goes a long way once you're here. Okay, so we've chilled on the beach for a bit because it was getting a bit hot. Bloody hell. Yeah, we've had our beach time. We've had our little swim. So we're gonna go and dump all this stuff because the push here is full of all the bits and bobs, all my BORACAY swagger that I got today. We've now got a nice waterproof case for the GoPro, so I'll be able to show you some scuba diving, and hopefully if we get to Cebu, some whale shark, swim with the whale sharks, so that'll be fun. Right, so we're going to try some andoks. So this is andoks chicken, peri peri chicken and fried chicken. So I'm not going to bother with this peri peri for now. Well, we're already on a losing streak because there is no cheese. And then what's the zinger burger without cheese and mayo? However, maybe this chicken rotisserie barbecue is enough to steal the show. We've got a boat trip and it's 15-minute wait on the zinger burger, so we'll do that later. So for now, for 821, we're going to try the fried chicken. That looks pretty damn good. It looks okay. Let me get a good piece. I'm here, not there. Why'd you do that? Service is not great. Let's try the food though, eh? Everywhere is so slow, they just can't keep up with me. You know me, I don't sit still. Running around yapping all day. Whoop. No. That's weak. Nah. 3.5. Not even a 4. So a drink that I might have to try is the Tandoy Light, which is a type of rum, which my boy here, who's helping push my pushchair on the way to the boat trip, that's what he drinks each night. Okay, so we might have to try this rum.
In the morning, come back BORACAY, job also.
Yeah? Oh.
Afternoon.
So you get up for work at 5 AM?
Yeah.
For a job there?
5 PM, I come back.
Okay.
I go home, I help.
Okay. So they work hard working, mate, and then they enjoy the night. I like the gym with mango juice.
Yeah, mango juice.
Very nice. Lots of ice, mango juice. Oh, shut up more. Shut up.
Sarap, masarap.
Masarap.
Mango juice and banana juice.
Banana juice. Yeah, is that good? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try that.